All right, back out here. Here we go. Chicken egg on the left, thing on the right. Okay, so I came over here, just rinse it off. Got it nice and clean now. There's one side, a little bit more, there. That's top, bottom. If that was too fast. Now it floats. So notice it bobs. So it is floating. See, the finger goes down about the knuckle, and this isn't quite that, but of course it's floating, so half it's above water, that is, so it is floating. Let's test them out and see what happens, see what they're like. So first one, chicken egg. Okay, this one, so I guess that means it's an oat gall.